this is the 17th lesson of our Introduction to Web Development with Django course, and in this lesson, this last lesson of the course, we'll finish fixing our parsing function in the views.py and make it work. And that will be it for our introductory course. So let's start. Firstly, in order to fix our problem, we need to go into views.py, go into parsing.request. Then here we need to notice that we don't actually append anything in the prices tag, so we need to do to add some more lines of code. So try price value be int temp prices new append price value. Here's GitHub Copilot suggests. Then accept value error. Error. Continue. And by this thing, we actually implemented the we fixed the parsing function. Now we need to create a better thing to calculate our prices. So let's comment this thing for now. Total price will be 0. Then total price will be 0. Then if prices new total price plus some prices new. Then we'll write average. I already run our website, by the way, so it'll be easier for us. Average price will be total price divided by len, the length of the amount of prices in our list. Then else average price will be 0. And then now let's return. We're already doing it here. So request main profile.html average price. So here we don't really need to change anything, and also we need to add the particular description of the average price in the profile page. In order to do it, we go here, and basically after this div we create a conditional statement. So if average price, so if it exists, what happened? Div class will be empty for and then let's do h3 average price average price basically, and then let's actually round it up. So float format to here we need to get rid of this thing, and then let's actually paste our symbol of tenge, because it's in the tenge currency, right? Tenge. And after quoting this div, we can actually end our if statement. And by doing this, we are basically done with our project if everything works out. So I go to our Safari page. Let's refresh it and log in. So test 1. Yeah, we're signing in. Now let's calculate the average price of a 1-bedroom house in Astana. Pressing this button, and nothing really shows. So the problem is that actually we forgot to add another replacement tag here. So replace two strings, then two strings, don't that's it. And then we need to also remove this u, and remove those values. That's basically it. Now let's go to our Safari, see if it works or not. Instead of doing this, maybe we should do this. And as you guys can see here, it shows us an average price. So overall, it was a very cool and interesting journey to teach you guys Django, to teach you guys web development with Django, and I'm very thankful for watching the course. If you want to further improve in the sphere of the web development, you can watch our other courses, and also you can actually search some information in the internet. I really hope that this course was very helpful for you guys, and I hope to see you in other courses. Bye.